Hello guys, welcome to the AppSeed Skills, an initiative by AP Shah Institute of Technology, Thane. I am Amol Shinde, an instructor for this course. I am assistant professor from AP Shah Institute of Technology Mechanical Engineering Department, and I am the official authorized training instructor for the AutoCAD software. Now this is the course view. This course name is the Autodesk AutoCAD Essential, which is basic AutoCAD course. Duration for to complete this course required 70 hours. There are some quizzes for the lessons, then practice assignments, and to complete this course you have to complete teacher graded assignments given for every lesson. The learning objective, uh, after completion of this course you will be able to get course completion certificate. You will be able to draw the 2D drawings, sketches and the simple construction plans. Then you will be able to draw the 3D models to visualize the objects, and you will be able to draw orthographic and isometric views of the objects or from the given 2D drawings or draftings. Then you will be able to create and manufacturing sheets or drawings to provide to the shop floor or the to manufacturer. Who can join this course? Any learner from any community who is past 12th science, he can join this course. Then engineering graduates, the working professionals, trainers, instructors and entrepreneurs, those who want to get hands-on training on this course, they all can join this course and improve their skills and knowledge. You should learn, practice and focus. You should stick to this tagline: learn, practice and focus. You should avoid learn everything. You should stick to the whatever skills important for your uh, working area or your. Then practice skill those are already known to you, so it will be beneficial for understood and utilizing those skills in your practice. Then complete all the assignments and practice exercises given in the course. That will help you to improve and gain knowledge of this course. Thank you. In the next tutorial we'll see the AutoCAD user interface, which will elaborate you the tools and commands and user interface, how we can set it in this next tutorial. Thank you.